Oh my god. What a strange system is this. I tried to get a free meal, but from Burger King, the Coke is not for free. So you cannot order two things. But the app said so, that you can order more things. What is going on? I don't get it. Is the system failing? How do you do that? Just a Coke and a free 4 chilies veggie nuggets for free by my points. They were not explaining to me how it works. Idiots. Oh, by the way, there are no bathrooms here, no toilets. In a Burger King, come on! Oh. Huh. I can go pee. Maybe do a hike in open air museum, 5 kilometers away. So, oh yeah, I got stuff to do at home, but lovely weather. Yeah, Fanta, light, 0 sugar. And also this, I'm trying this one. Oh my god, no change in taste. Bio sugar. I have to ask if it is good sugar. I think so. I don't grilled flavor. I don't know. 1954. Let's try it. I never saw this before. Is it the same like cheeseburger? Yeah. It don't taste much. What? Wow. Doesn't taste like anything. Do I got COVID back? Yeah. Saturday at 5. October 5. Doesn't taste like anything. tasteless mousse. Yeah, okay, tastes slightly like a burger, but I'm not complaining. Cheers. Well, this is the question. Do I want to pay $5 for to go to the bathroom? Well, I got other food in my car, so I want to make a Lego set today. Yeah, in the woods. It's 16 degrees. Perfect weather, but yeah, nowhere, no place to make them like here in the car. Oh, I know a place. In the Arboretum. Yeah. Yet again, no backpack. Like I stuff to do at home, but tomorrow, 8 o'clock, working time. Yeah, Sunday, working time. I have to go to work. But on my free will, I wanted to participate 10 years ago. Open factory day. So I'm going. It's just not really work. I guess when nobody's there, you don't have to work. But there's only one problem. Just one pause, one break, half hour. What? I'm gonna take cookies with me. Or some other some other things, other candy. You know what we get to eat? One free drink and fries with a cold sausage. It's called a servola. Don't know the English word, maybe it's the same. Cold, not hot. And hopefully, just like last time, 10 years ago, hopefully not no cold fries. Yeah, they were cold. Well, it's going to be a lot of fun. Going to be a lot of fun. And now I can, yeah, I go to the museum. I can go there to the bedroom and editing movies. I want to do a live stream there. If there are people, if people are coming. We zijn aan gazebo. Yeah, that I want to sit. Oof. Yeah, it's a huge cinema complex right here, but 12 rooms. I'm not going. Maybe in a store at here in a store that makes Lego, sells Lego. Selling Lego sets. But we still got this to eat. Camembert rustique. Maybe I eat it now. Nah, I'm gonna wait. Oh yeah, when the chance, gonna do this set. Yeah. Not really 2 in 1. Oh yeah, you can make that. I'm not gonna do that. It's just the same. I mean, almost. Oh yeah, the alternate build is only online. So those are the book that is in there to make that snow groomer. Some people. So that's why I don't know anything else to do. First go and pee, then to the gazebo. It's a lot. It's a long walk. But yeah, gotta do it. I want to do it. I get this for free. With chocolates. For oh god, for the day of the customer. Yeah, you can scan that. Don't know if it is worth anything, but oh wait. I cannot see the battery, but I got my cable. Oh, I got my other phone. Nice. Yeah, and then at the end, I'm going to, you know, film, say something about those pills I have to take. I can kill my doctor because he killed me. Just asshole. Yeah, but just later. I see you at the museum. Right, 3:30 now. I cannot wait any longer. Yeah, 78% should be enough. Yeah, 14 degrees. That's not. Should we take the Lego? Oh well, we will see. See you at the gazebo. That's for sure. Oh, look at that. Oh, what the hell? Again? Ah, that's better. Look at that. It's a nice little fella. Yeah, very beautiful. No gazebo, but it's not here. But they got rid of that table. Just why? Right here. It was my mother's favorite tree. It's the beaver tree. Yeah, the gazebo is right over there, and then to the left. Jesus, to the right. We go check that first, but if that is not free, gazebo, I mean a table. Oh, 2 tables. All right. So, never been there. What should we do first? A gazebo, yeah. Yeah, that's a nice idea for my pond. If I ever get one. Jesus. Yeah. Cool idea. Man, what I will give is to get in here. But it's falling apart. The roof is caving in. That's why it is closed. Can I? But, yeah. I can't go over it. There's no more glass in it. Yeah, it probably shuts down also with boards. It's too high. Yeah, those boards, blue boards, they added it later on, so. Oh, look at this. Not very good. Oh well. Oh, the cameras here. There's no way to get in. I tried it before. There's supposed to be a garden behind it, but yeah. I see some chairs. They use it for stock. Stock. And there are some people. I hope we got the gazebo for ourselves. There it is. The gazebo. Oops. Yeah. Yay, yay, yay. 2 farts away. Ouch. I'm gonna take a picture. No, I did not bring the Lego because it was too big to fit in my pocket. But I opened it and 2 bags came out, and there was hundreds of pieces. Yeah, right here. Not real good. Hundreds of little pieces like this for the tires, for the tire track. It was too much. And not really yeah, students and hobbyists all day long. That was something I did not anticipate. But I did bring this. Oh yes. So gonna eat, gonna drink, and I'm gonna scratch this ticket. It's for the day of the customer. And then I'll go back. Should I film? Should I film? Nothing is moving here, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna film myself. For one reason or another, I cannot sharpen the movies, the moving images. Only the movies. Why? Damn it. Oh, gonna eat this one. It is kind of chilly. But this will taste as good. This will taste as good as usual. Yeah, not I cannot sharpen the videos. I cannot Yeah, come on. I lost it again. Oh well, getting old. Cannot sharpen and I cannot add the warm effect. Not now. Why? Just why? Got no more space? Should be good. Yeah, maybe because I'm uploading on YouTube. Long Weekend Part 1. September 10, 2025. Yeah, but I will see after this movie is uploaded to YouTube. So many problems. Sometimes I want to give up. Lingonberry. What's lingon? Hey, going to try this. It's quite shit. I won. I actually won. God, Jesus. Hate this. Two sheets of cheese. Two sheets of cheese. 2 breaks of cheese. I hate this. Hate. Damn, man. What? never happened to me that I won the first time. I'm going to have green cheese if I can choose. Yeah. Green cheese. Yeah, it exists. Maybe you already know. I never ate it before. Oh, it is. Ah, damn it. I hate those things. Cannot get rid of. It's blowing up, blowing in, imploding. I'm missing a trash can. Actually, it was better. It was good here to make a Lego mod. And yeah. Next time. I gotta shave myself. You see what I see? Nice. I didn't bring a lot to drink. I managed. Yeah, not pleasant. There. Oh yeah. I have to do it. Big bummer. Now I have to take it with me. Oh. Yay. God damn it, you cannot get this off your clothes. What are we gonna do? I mean, there's no trash can everywhere, anywhere. I think I have to go. No, they go ground. Well, 15 minutes. That's a good one. I enjoyed it. See you back in the car. Man, that is a beautiful sight. Whoa. I'm amazed. I am amazed. Wow. Napolitan sea climb. I don't know. Sea climb. What the hell? Nice. Found somebody's parking ticket. It is today. Around 12 o'clock. He's been long gone now, but yeah. Hey, right. 17:30 now. Back at the car. Now I'm going to edit and upload and till the sun goes down. Maybe. Now I'm going home while it is still light. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Yeah, I know. Oof, oh yeah. Making Lego at home, I guess. Alright. 1900 hours now. Yeah, almost home. Of course, favorite spots, blah blah blah. Yeah, I really have to focus on the papers, for all the papers on my table, and making Lego. Yeah. If I'm not too tired. Because every time I speak about Lego, I come home and then no Lego. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, so I gotta clean that up. How? Hold on. Do it when I come home. The cat will be sleeping. So yeah. I'll see you in a second.